I mean, it's just, like don't overthink things when you're getting ready to start. Just start. Just grab a microphone and start, because that's the only way you're really going to learn. You can watch all the YouTube tutorials and everything you can, but nothing's going to really prepare you and get you going until you start. Like if you listen to our most recent episode and then go back to listen to our first two or three episodes, it's crazy different.
Right.
How I am, especially because I never wanted to get in front of a camera or get in front of a microphone at all, um, until I just forced myself to do it. And now I'm very comfortable doing it, because I see that a lot. I see people saying, like, they don't want to get in front of the camera, they don't want to, talk or anything. And it's like, just do it, because you never know. You don't know what's going to happen. And after you do it for a while, just prepare to get frustrated and
Mm.
bang your head on the desk. And you're going to go through the days where you're wondering, why are you even doing this? Why try? You're going to have the weeks go by where your downloads aren't there and things just aren't happening. And you're going to wonder if it's even going to happen for you. And it's like, it you don't know. I mean, it might not happen, but it might happen. You just don't know. You don't know when that day is going to come where something's going to take off.